I made this Valentine's Day basket for my toddler, and I'm going to show you everything that I put in it. I started off with this basket from Target, and I put some pink crinkle paper. The name on the front is actually a puzzle that I ordered off of Amazon. I just attached it to the basket using double-sided tape. Got her this tic-tac-toe board from Walmart. This book is called If Everything Were Pink. I got this off of Amazon. Her other book is called Love Escargot. So cute, and also from Amazon. I got her these nail stickers because she's really been into like painting her nails lately. I got her this Valentine magic slime. She is obsessed with slime right now. I found this gift bag at the Dollar Tree, and I filled it with this little princess pin, some lip balm, some candy hearts, a pink lollipop, some bubbles that are pink, and I got her some pink sunglasses, jelly bean hearts from Trader Joe's, and I also got this other heart that I filled with some more Trader Joe's candy, and these 2 bracelets. This actually came out way cuter than I expected. I also got her some Hershey Kisses, this Squishums, and my favorite is these pink Crocs that I got, and I put just like some Valentine's charms on them. I got her this cup from the Dollar Tree, some Play-Doh. She loves Play-Doh. And I got her some chocolates that look like a notebook. And I got this headband from the Dollar Tree. This onesie is from Walmart. I also got a matching one for her sister. I also made her sister a basket. And the last thing I got her was this necklace from the $5 store. And I think her basket turned out just so cute, so perfect for a 3-year-old. I also made her 1-year-old sister a basket with a few different items, and I'm going to show you everything that I put in that basket as well. So for my 1-year-old, I have this gift box from the Dollar Tree, and I filled it with some sunglasses, a pink lollipop. Got this red heart from the Dollar Tree, and I filled it with gummies from Trader Joe's, and I got some bubbles that I put in there for her. I put this gift box inside of her basket. I got her this painting set, which is really for age 3 and above, but I'll just help her with it. This book is called Llama Llama I Love You, and I thought that was just too cute. The other book I got her is called One Good Night Till Valentine's Day, and this was my favorite one because the representation matters. And I got her these Hershey Kisses just like her sister got. I also got her this same headband that her sister got, her cup from the Dollar Tree, the matching onesie from Walmart. Love the material of these. And of course I got her the same pink Crocs that I got for her sister. I just put different charms on there, and I found these at Target. I thought they were so cute, so I got her both of those, pink and red. These are her Valentine's Day chocolates. So cute. I love how this turned out.